Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to see what are the different database system architecture exist in real life scenario or in real software development. So there are different types of architectures available in when you develop or when you develop the software. That database is distributed among different servers, or it may be a centralized repository, or it may be connected in parallel. So how as per the requirement or the application these database architectures are used. The architecture of a database system is greatly influenced by underlying computer system on which it runs, in particular by such aspects as processor and memory architecture and networking, as well as by requirement of parallelism and distribution. So the database architecture that we are going to use depends upon these parameters, that what type of processor we have, what type of memory we have, what type of networking facility we are having, and if whether we require the parallel architecture or we require the distributed database architecture. Generally, the database system of the on the net or website is the distributed architecture, because if you search something on Google, that search or whatever websites you will get, that will be located, or that information is located at different servers at different locations. So you must have heard that Google have different servers at different places. So we have a separate server for India, and again in India there are different servers at different locations. So in distributed architecture all the data is distributed and replicated at different servers, so that if one server gets fails, another server may fulfill the requirement of the user that he wants to search. Similarly, parallelism is also there. If we want to improve the performance of the information retrieval, so at that time the parallelism architecture is used, so that all the tasks that has to be performed is executed in parallel. So that is parallel database system architecture. As well as it depends upon what type of memory we have, whether we have to take the help of another memory, whether that memory is shareable or it is not shareable. So these are all the parameters on which database architectures may depend.